In my video guide, I will give you instructions to remove the adware that is called Healthiness. You may trace this Healthiness adware when you open the task manager of your computer, and you will find some processes named as Healthiness application copyright. So you may right-click on this process and select the option to open file location, and you'll see where this adware is located. It's a special Healthiness folder in the roaming folder in the app data folder. So the main executable is healthiness.exe. This is a piece of a rogue software that our research team discovered while inspecting Dabia's download web pages. After analyzing this app, we found out that it functions as an advertising-supported software, or briefly as adware. Advertising-supported software, including this Healthiness adware, is designed to display advertisements on visited websites and other interfaces. Typically, these adverts promote a lot of shady or harmful websites and even applications. They may point you to a lot of suspicious resources in the internet. They may open new browser tabs, and practically they may show advertisements through all the browsers that are available in your computer. Very often a particular adware may be spread through integration with some free applications, and it may be also distributed through some other shady websites. So if you have discovered this particular process in your task manager, it means that your computer is infected by this adware called Healthiness. And the only correct conclusion is to get rid of it as soon as possible. Now, of course, the majority of decent programs can be found in the control panel. So let's try to find this Healthiness program, and we will not find it here because it is a typical adware that is installed without the customer's permission. My strong recommendation is that you do the following. There is a great program called Combo Cleaner. It will help you to detect and delete this particular adware effectively from your system. You may get it on the official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan, and the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. And this is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program Combo Cleaner will begin scanning and researching and investigating your system. Then, at the end of the scanning, it will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. You will be able to know their exact location on the system, and we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to get rid of all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your computer always free of any other threats.